welcome back. This is Kim from Loving to Shop. Hope everyone is doing well. It is a cloudy day today, so I decided to come and just do a quick video. I haven't been on YouTube in a while. A lot of things have been happening in my life, but the first thing, if you have yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please click the link below. I would greatly appreciate it. I do YouTube videos basically on handbags and all the things that I love. I'm also excited to share that I'm officially a part of Like It to Know. You can definitely follow me over there at Kimberly Love. I would greatly appreciate it. And I'm here to just do a video on two LV items. One is an older item that I sent in for repair, and I did get it back about 2 weeks ago. And I want to show you, this is my second item I have repaired, refurbished with LV. And as many... No, thank you. It is the Pochette Métis. I purchased this handbag back in 2016. I decided to get the pull at the top replaced. It looks great. I decided to get this replaced as well in the front, and the two tabs on the side that hold the strap replaced. When I purchased this 4 years ago, I did not spray it with Apple Guard, and for that reason I had a lot of water markings all over the handles, here, and here, believe it or not. They repaired it in 4 weeks. I received a quote for $370 to repair the following pieces, and when it came back, my handbag looks like new. This is still a very popular item within the luxury community. For resale, you can get it for resale value. You will pay a premium, but you also can definitely find it on the LV website. So don't think that you have to go to the resale market to purchase that item, because that's not the case. You can call client services, and I'm 100% sure, it might take a while, but they would definitely be able to get you a Pochette Métis. The second item I want to speak about is my Crafty LV Neverfull. I purchased this a little over a month ago. As you know, I do have the Toiletry 26 palette. Anything, like I said before, that's limited edition from LV, I kind of gravitate towards the prints. I don't know, it's just something about me with the LV print that I like. It's different, it stands out, and I really love the limited edition pieces. In addition to the classic pieces, but the limited edition pieces just speak to me. Now, this did come with a pouch inside of the handbag, which I sold to FASHIONPHILE because I didn't need it, because I have the Toiletry Pouch 26, and I received a quote for $600 for that for FASHIONPHILE. So it was definitely worth me selling the pouch to FASHIONPHILE, because it offset the cost of the purchase of this handbag. The reason I like this bag is because of the beautiful colors, definitely fall colors. It definitely reminds me of Halloween. And it's something, I love the black handles, so I don't have to worry about the vachetta on this bag as I do my Pochette Métis. The only thing we know with the limited edition pieces, it can chip, but if you're careful with your bags, and I'm not wearing this every single day, so I try to take excellent care of all of my items, whether it's LV, whether it's Tory Burch, Kate Spade, whatever it is that I have, no matter the brand, I try to take care of them all. And that's it. So these are the two things that I wanted to show you. My refurbished Pochette Métis that I had since 2016, and my new LV Crafty Neverfull in the size MM. So I hope you enjoyed. This is Kimberly from Loving to Shop. Have a wonderful day. Bye.